super moon. It was just
Bad timing. I mean, seriously, you couldn't have waited 5 minutes? I should have stayed. I should have made sure.
because now you have to kill me yourself.
They're still mine. Maybe not yet, but they'll come around.
Not for you. They're not like you. They never will be.
Because I'm a chimera? Because I'm not a real werewolf?
Because you're barely even human.
I hear noises awoken from my sleep. I'm haunted by the thoughts that creep. If the earth quakes down, buildings fall, I'm pulling pictures all from our walls to you. Say, here I am. Oh, and here I am. Oh, for you I try.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Bringing him back.
But his heart, he hasn't had a pulse in over 15 minutes. You can't bring someone back that's...
He's not someone, he's my son. And he's an alpha, and he's too strong to die like this. Come on! Open your eyes, look at me, okay? Come on. Breathe, baby, breathe.
Melissa, it's...
Shut up! He's too strong to die like this. Come on, you can do this. You're an alpha. You're an alpha. Come on, Scott, roar!